Welcome to Mars Battle for Newbies. I am your host, Mike Johnson. I am going to answer the 3 most common questions that newbies ask. The first one is, how do I get resources? To do this, you must move your cursor over the factory of the resources that you wish to produce, such as this one, Metal Factory. You have options, 1 hour, 15 hours. This is going to cost you currency. To get free resources, you must click on the square, not the triangle. Second most common question, how do I get free currency? To do this, you must move your cursor over the factory that produces vehicles and select the vehicle that produces currency. You must click on this vehicle 10 times. The third most common question, how do I move my home base to another map? To do this, move your cursor over the icon of the gear, and this map pops up. It has all the different maps in the game. But before you're able to come back to this particular map, you must click on Ally, which will open up a new window. Then you must click Setup, then change Home Map, which will bring you back to this particular page with all the different maps, which you will be able to select which map you prefer to go to. After that, you must close this window. As seen here, you will be on a new map. This video was sponsored by Lord Mike's web store that has the coolest stuff. So please visit their store to continue these videos.